This is a little bit different video of a product. So it's not going to be a review, and it's not going to be an unboxing. In front of you, you see this keyboard, which has been my absolute all-time favorite keyboard. It's a Microsoft Designer keyboard. It's about 5 years old, so it's pretty old. The letter L no longer works. I have done everything. The chiclet keys do come off, and I was able to clean it and put contact cleaner on, but it just doesn't work any longer. It's been a great keyboard. I like it. You can see it's even got a number pad, so it's a great size. It's Bluetooth, and it is not backlit. Those are two things that could cause some problems to people, where you're unable to wake your machine or do your BIOS because it's Bluetooth, etc. So I need to replace this keyboard, and I decided to go to the same company, Microsoft, because I did like that product so much, and I purchased a Microsoft Surface keyboard. Now this is about 5 years old. The keyboard, not the one I bought. It's about 5 years old. You'll see that it fits the design of Surface products in color and in style. And in a second, I'll compare it with the Designer keyboard so you could see what it's like. It's got a bit of a low profile, so even though it's got somewhat of a stand here, the fact is it's not all that high. But it's like I say, it's a full-size keyboard, and if it's got the touch and travel that this had, I would be happy. So let's put this aside and let's see it. So here it is, and I don't know if you could tell already, it is wider than that keyboard by a pretty good amount, by about 2 rows here, or a row and a half. It's got a nice area here for the direction keys, the arrows, and then these 6 keys are all by themselves here. The function keys on the top, media, lock, settings, etc. along the top. There's a key for a calculator, apps, etc. So a lot of functions with this. Interesting is that there is a Windows key on both sides, and I actually think that's good here, and so that's nice. Again, this is not backlit, so that's one issue, but it's not really an issue to me. I've never had a problem with that, where I have this with my desktop, number one. And the second thing is, again, it's Bluetooth, and as a result of it being Bluetooth, though it has great range and I've had great connectivity with it, you just need to keep in mind that you're not able to press anything and wake your computer. At least I've not found anything. The back of it, you could see here, it's nice as far as it has a built-in stand. This is rubber. The rest feels like a metal or some sort of different, maybe just a little different plastic. This is metal of some kind here. It shows a Bluetooth symbol right here, and that is also, you press there to pair it with your Bluetooth. I believe it's Bluetooth 4.0. I'd have to, I could read the box and check. And so what else do we have? We have the batteries. So where did the batteries go? And there's 2 AA batteries, I'm sorry, 2 AAA batteries here, and you would take that out when you're ready to start them. This is nice. It's magnetic, so it is a nice cover, and a nice job there. And again, just keeping in with the design of the Surface. So let me see what the keys feel like. Clearly the keys have more space in between, so you could see that already. They appear to be larger, slightly larger. I'm not sure if they are, but they at least look that way. And again, you have this dedicated area here on the right that I really like. The caps lock does light up. The num lock and scroll lock, those keys do light up, as does the function key. Those all show that. Let me try. Oh, nice travel. It is very similar, and I'm going to see, I don't know if you can hear this. I'm going to put my microphone next to it. There's a slight click, just a very slight click. It's not a mechanical keyboard by any means, but the sound is good. So let me move my microphone there and see if you can hear it. So here we go. So I think that's pretty good. So it's the Microsoft Surface keyboard. It's the same color, same design as the Microsoft Surface products. Of course, you would expect that. It feels really good. It's less than £1, but it does feel solid. It's well built. It was $99. So the price has not changed in 5 years, and I bought it directly from the Microsoft store. So this is my new keyboard, and assuming everything works well, you'll not hear anything. If perhaps there's an issue, I will do another video or update this video for you. So based on what I see and the feel, I already recommend it. And just imagine or remember, when you have a personal computer, the thing that you touch the most and you're most active with is your keyboard. That's your interface to it, unless you also have a touch screen. So that's the Microsoft Surface keyboard.